Welcome back to the world of virtual classes. I welcome you on behalf of Jadu Education. Today we are going to learn syllogism. Well, regarding syllogism, I need to tell you a thing first. This is nothing but argument. Now, what do you mean by argument? Argument is when a person tells a statement and another person conflicts it or tells another statement, and these both statements are taken together in order to arrive to a conclusion. The whole process is known as argument. This was started by Aristotle, a student of Plato and teacher of Alexander the Great. Aristotle himself was a philosopher. He came up with this particular ideology that if a person has to reach to a conclusion, he or she should have at least two statements together. Because with one statement or depending on one statement, one cannot come to a conclusion. Now, what has happened is, after getting these two statements, one can arrive or derive a conclusion after cancelling the common things. Let's jot down a few sentences which are known as statements or rather premises. So we'll write a few premises and we'll see how we can come to a conclusion. The very famous one I write here is all men are. This is one of the very famous premise. And if I write Ram is a man, this being the major premise, this is the minor premise. So depending on these two premises, we arrive or we derive a conclusion, cancelling the common things. Therefore, Ram is mortal. What I did is, I kept these things as the main subject of a sentence. This is one, the second one and the third one. Please remember that in any of these deductive syllogisms, we can afford to have three unknown topics or three unknown subjects, among which one of them is cancelled, the common one is cancelled, and the uncommon ones, they make the conclusion. Each of them will be repeated twice. For example, man and men, twice. Ram, twice. Mortal, twice. So each of them will be repeated twice. Now the problem came up with another type of syllogisms where the syntax is a bit different. Syntax is the way of presenting the things. I'll show you. If I write here, all dogs bite. All dogs bite. And I jot down Tom